Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and first time installation of the Ailun Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 11 or XR. These are a set of screen protectors that you can currently get on Amazon for only $5.88. It basically will encompass a 3-pack of screen protectors that you can basically install on your phone and protect the screen from cracking. I've previously done videos on my current screen protector, which is the Ferilinso screen protector. That one, if you look, I've had for about 2 years now. The first screen protector that I had that I put on lasted about a year, but I found that the 2 other ones that I installed with the on my actual phone broke very easily in a similar place. So if you look on my phone here, it might be hard. Basically, there's a crack across the bottom, and there's a lot of bubbling in, and that happened very quickly this time with the Ferilinso when I installed the other 2. So I had good luck with the first one. However, after that, it didn't work, and so I wanted to try the Ailun ones. So as far as the features of the Ailun ones, it's basically going to be 3 separate screen protectors. It'll be oleophobic, basically preventing lipids from getting on the screen. It'll have maximal luminosity, delicate touch, real glass, and it's a perfect fit as far as sizing, and it's 9H hardness as far as the actual hardness. So they go over kind of that, but basically it has an anti-shatter film, all those sorts of features. But that's it as far as like the main aspect of the packaging. Now what we'll do is we'll open this. We'll take a look at what comes in the actual package. So basically you have several different items here. So you've got 1, 2, there probably is another 3. Yeah, sorry, it's just caught in there. So 3 sets of wet wipes and dry wipes as far as the prepping. So the 3 separate screen protectors here. There is these sticky claw or stickers that allow you to clean this. As far as dust absorbent, and then there is a 100 like a manual as far as installation instructions. It says 100% money back guarantee or replacement if you run into any issues. So for any reason that you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, we'll provide a full refund. So if you have defects, bubble, dust, lint, short on parts, wrong item, damaged in transit, installed wrong, or the white halo effect. So basically they fully support that, which is nice. And looking on Amazon, there's 383,546 ratings for this, so it's very common, which is why I picked it. And then as far as the instructions here, we'll walk through it in a second, but you're going to use the wet wipe to remove any dirt on the screen, which is this one. You're going to use the dry wipe to ensure that all dust and liquid have been removed, which is this one. You're going to dab the sticker side of the dust absorber to eliminate any amounts of debris on the screen, which is this. So this is the dust absorber. And then you're going to remove the bottom protective layer of the screen protector. Basically, without touching the sticky side, apply it on. And then you're going to use your finger to basically slide it and apply it. But I'll walk through that in a second. But they do provide the instructions, but we'll go through that as far as installing it. Okay, so now we'll walk through the instructions. So first off, you're going to use step 1, which is labeled number 1 on this packet. And this is going to be a wet wipe, which will allow you to clean your screen. So basically you will just run this entirely across the screen and allow it to remove any dirt, debris, that sort of thing from the actual screen itself. And so you just want to kind of do it judiciously from that standpoint. So that's that. So that's step 1. Step 2 now is going to use step 2, which is the dry wipe. And this is basically a dry surface. And then basically this is just going to dry the surface of the screen to ensure that there's no additional residue from wiping it down and that sort of thing. Plus hopefully that'll remove any dust from the surface. Okay. So that's that. All right. And then next up, you're going to use the sticker dust absorber to basically clean off any residual dust. I find that if you do not do this, you will have issues because sometimes there's just some dust. So what you want to do is just be kind of liberal with just running across the entire screen. And if you don't do this or you get a dust, it's going to create a bubble on the screen, so that's why you want to be very cognizant of this. So that's that. And then they have a guide sticker. We'll see what those we need to use, if we need to use those. Next up, it's basically going to be taking out the actual screen protector. And so if you look here, this is what it looks like. Basically, it's going to have a sticker side here, which is the back. And then when you take this off, it'll basically have a sticky side. You want to be careful that when you peel this off, you don't touch the sticky side, because it'll kind of create film, or dust or something from your hand can get on it. So basically, you're going to remove this tab, using the tab, remove that, okay? And then do that. And then without touching the sticky side, which is this side, you're going to basically put this on the screen and then slowly press it. When you do this, at least for the iPhone 11, where your speaker is on the top, right up here is going to be where this groove part goes in. So just keep that in mind when you use this. Sorry, there might be a little bit glare. But basically, you just want to line this up and kind of get it perfect as far as the alignment. And you want to do this very carefully, because if you don't have it aligned, lifting it up can cause issues. So that's pretty good there. So immediately, if you look here, it's actually sticking on its own. So all the bubble is basically running out entirely, which is pretty cool. I haven't had that with others. But basically, that's all you have to do. You can press it to secure it, but that was a pretty seamless process. That was actually much easier than the Ferilinso one. The Ferilinso one, I had a lot more bubbles and stuff, but that was pretty impressive, to be honest. That's probably the best I've done for this. But basically, the screen protector is now pretty much fully in there. There's no bubbles whatsoever, no dust, no debris. And what I'll do is I'll turn on my phone real quick just to give you a sense of how it performs as far as touch and imaging quality with this on, to give you a sense of that as well. Okay, so now my phone's on. I'll be honest, the image quality here is very, very good as far as the phone. Definitely better than the Ferilinso, less cloudy. The fact that it's stuck on very well is really good. There's a little bit of residue from my hand as far as like some greasiness there, but when you actually illuminate it, illuminates very well, and the touch is very, very sensitive here. So pretty impressive here. Now I understand why there's like 383,000 ratings for this, and it's a 4.6 star product on Amazon. The last thing what we'll do is we'll just put this basically back into the OtterBox Defender, because I just installed this. But basically reverse the steps here, snap it into place, and then slide it back into the rubber part here. And with the OtterBox Defender series, it works really, really well. You just have to get this rubber all the way. Sorry, it's not all the way yet. There. But this is what it looks like, OtterBox Defender series with the Ailun Screen Protector. Basically, it provides full coverage protection over your phone. I drop my phone all the time from like hands height pretty consistently, and this has protected my phone really well. What we'll do is we'll use this screen protector over the upcoming months, and then I'll circle back if I run into any issues as far as it breaking or cloudiness or anything like that. But hopefully this video is helpful for those of you that are looking into this brand for specifically the iPhone 11 or other models as well. But thank you for watching, and have a great day.